In this quick video guide, we're going to see how to download, install, and use a really important plugin that can help you to delete unused stuff and can help you to make your website lighter, so if it's too heavy. So what we're going to do here is go to the plugin section and go to add new, and we're going to look for the media cleaner. And this is, of course, a cleaner app that will help you to clean up a little bit of the media that you have perhaps uploaded in your space, in your web space. So this is the plugin right here. We're gonna say install now, and we're just gonna wait. So you can see that this will help us to eliminate unused or broken media files, and this is gonna get our website faster and better eventually. So let's click on activate once it's finished to download, and then we can check if it's visible right here, or we can go now directly in the dashboard menu right here. So we can go to the mail apps and click here, and we can see we have a dashboard and we have different apps, but what we're using here is Media Cleaner. So here you find all the other information and description if you want to know more about all these other apps and plugins that you can install. Now we can click here also Media Cleaner. We can go directly to the one that we actually using, and we also have some tutorials, and here we have some settings that you can use, some checkboxes if you want to restrict your scan and operations only to images or attached images and so on. You also have some additional pro features if you want to check them out, and here you have some advanced and other stuff that you can see. Now we can click here on Access Media Cleaner Dashboard. So this is the dashboard for the Media Cleaner, and just read these important messages right here. Back up your database always, and try to save the media before you actually run whatever operation of cleaning up, and not only with this app but also with others. And there you go. So we can just go here and do the scan. We can scan the media library only. File system is for the pro. So let's run a scan, and this is gonna scan all your content and see which one is used or unused. Now you can see here that if there are too many or not enough files, could be there could be some issues. And again, you must back up the uploads folder and the database before using the cleaner, and it's going to give you some suggestions essentially. Now we can see here that we have well, I have a lot of images here, so I have almost 5,000 issues, which means that these are not found in content. So you can go along here and check all the pages where every image that is not used has been listed. So you can see here that these are not found in the content, and they occupy a lot of web space. So especially if you have like a small web space, you probably want to delete anything that is not necessary, is not useful. So all of this is not found in the content, which means that is not in the website. So we can proceed and select all of those, or page by page, and we can delete, or we can delete all. So this is up to you. So we will stop here with this video guide. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like it, please subscribe and check also the other video guides and video courses that you find in the channel. If you want to support us, you can join the channel as a supporter. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next.